Hello guys, let me teach you how to use market structure to find high probability buy setups. Without wasting any time, let's take uptrend as our setup. You want to see what? When we see uptrend, you want to see your higher highs and your higher lows, followed by your higher lows. You know we are only buying at this market structure at this point. So we want to buy. Where do we buy? Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Now, what do you have at the moment? You have what? You have your impulse. And then what are you going to wait for? Wait for a pullback. Wait for a pullback. But the most important thing that you don't want to miss is that you need to buy at the discounted area. This will be less than 50%. You want to buy at the discounted area. What are you going to see at the discounted area? How do you know that this is the valid discounted area? You will see discounted area by seeing a fair value gap or order block being our previous reference points, and after on that zone or that area, what is it that you want to see? You want to see buy signals. You want to check on your buy signals. Remember that you are following your buy. You want to check on your buy signals. Where can you buy? What are you going to see? You need to see reversal patterns. You need to see your reversal patterns at this point. By patterns, whatever that you use, whether you use SMC, whether you use retail patterns, but this is what you want to see. This will bring you a high probability entries. So this you want to see. Liquidity is number one. That's what you want to focus on. You want to see market take liquidity, because if you don't wait for liquidity, you will be the liquidity. So after that, before you buy, you want to see market structure shift. Guys, without wasting any time, but let me show you example right here. First, you want to establish your trend. Now we are on an uptrend. You do not want to mix. You do not want to mix. Your trend will start here, will go there. We are on an uptrend. What do you have here? You can say you have this. Just for a moment. You can say you have this. You have that. You have this. You have that. You have this. You have that. You have this. Then you don't have this. You have that. This. You need to teach your eye to see market structure, guys. You need to teach your eye to see market structure. So you have this. Lastly, you have this. Boom. Okay, let's close this. Guys, this is what you have. And if you can look at your structure, it's exactly what I drew here, but I drew it to be a perfect structure so that you can identify whatever is it that you learned, so that you can see it in a perfect market. But basically, this is what you're going to find in the market. So we are on our uptrend. So after uptrend, we check the impulse, the previous impulse leg. We want to buy on a pullback, guys. You check the previous impulse leg. This will be my previous impulse leg. Previous impulse leg. I check my previous impulse leg. What do I want to see now? From my previous impulse leg going this area right here, I want to establish my bias, the reason why I want to buy. So what do we say? What did we say about this one? Check here. Fair value gap or order block are previous reference point. So let's see if we have that right here. Can we? Then you check. We have this fair value gap that was never ever filled. I believe, yes. We have this fair value gap that was never ever filled. It will go with this order block. We have an order block right here. Then we have another fair value gap right here. Then fair value gap, fair value gap. So we have another fair value gap with an order block as a series of candles right here. So what is the question now? What do we want? What are we going to do now? So we're only looking for buy signals, reversal patterns. So we are going to give the market chance, guys. We are going to give the market chance. If we are going up, we are going to give the market chance to give us a reversal pattern. To give us a reversal pattern. And then what will that be? Liquidity. We want to see liquidity being taken out below this area. Then we want to see a market structure shift. Clearly, if that happens here, it will tell us that the market is ready to give us what? To give us the impulse, the next impulse, then we buy from this. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned some. Please comment, subscribe, like, share the video so that we can bring more community. Even for myself, I can be more motivated. I can be motivated to know that I'll help more and more people out there. Cheers, guys.